La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, hi there. I didn't see you there. So, I and my friend want to go to the Kids Jam Show. Want to show our talents. But I'm not feeling like I'm there. I need something to make me feel like I am on the stage and singing. Oh, that gives me an idea. Let's create a pretend microphone. That will make me know, yeah, hello, I am there. So, what do we need to create a pretend microphone? All we need to create a pretend microphone is this roll of tissue paper, the inside. Yes, we need a cardboard to go around it. Then we need, and also this. And don't forget, we also need our scissors and a PVA glue and our normal gum and a sticky sellotape. So how do we create this? First of all, we pick up this, then we roll this around like this. All we need to do is make use of a glue to put them together. So, yeah, we have this. You move. Whoa. You have to keep it for a while for it to stay glue. For it to stay glue, then we roll it around and apply the glue again. This makes the background for our microphone. Pretend microphone. So you hold it together for a while so it sticks together. Yes. Why that is being roll it together for it to get sticky. Why that is getting sticky. If you look at the microphone I have here, we have two dots so that we can turn it on and off. So we need this and we need circle. Yeah. 2 seconds. And then we cut it out. Don't forget, scissors are sharp. Yes. So we have this. Make use of our glue again. These can be a little bit tricky, so ask an adult to assist you while you make your pretend microphone. Yeah, leave that to dry. And also, make use of our gum to gum this right exactly where we want it. Yeah. Yeah. So that's for that. And to make this, you can get a ball and then you wrap this around it. But if you don't have a ball, don't worry. All you need to do is get a tissue paper or paper, fold them up like a ball. Fold them up like a ball. And you make use of this turn it. Hello, hello. So you have your ball, then you cut and make use of a sticky paper, a sellotape, sorry, to hold this down, just like this. Hold it down. You can see. Then what you need to do next is place it here with a PVA glue so we can sing together. Okay. Is this? Place it at the edge. Yeah. Then you place it right there. Apply a little bit of pressure. Testing the microphone. Yeah. And that is how we make our pretend microphone. Now I can go and sing and sing and sing. Hello, hello, hello. Testing the microphone. La 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 la. And put it off. Yeah. All right. I want to see what you've made. Just like mine. I want to see what you've made. And all you need to do, ask an adult to help you to go to our website at www.brainstv.com. Then you go to the take part section and follow the necessary instruction. I want to see how your pretend microphone looks like. So, see you later. Bye.